It's Toodle.
What, he's William?
Yeah. Where's your... Don't push that. Where's your tummy? No, that's your foot.
And where is Granddad? Yeah, you've got a mouthful of Jaffa cake.
No, licorice.
Oh, no. God. And where's school?
Nursery.
Nursery. Well, what's that, Lou?
Rara, Louisa.
Oh. And
So-
where's Mummy?
Don't push that.
Does he cry when you leave him in the morning?
No. Just says ta-da and walks off. Right, are you finished? You gonna give Daddy the phone? Don't push. You still there?
Yeah. We better go, Luke.
Right, you gonna say ta-ta?
Ta-ta, the fin.
No, say ta-ta.
Ta-ta. And give me a kiss.
Hang on, give a kiss. Come here. He's gone for my bloody feet. Give a kiss. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Vicky's just recorded it, so you'll see it on YouTube in a minute. Oh, Daddy farted. And again, me.
Oh, that'd be pleasant.
Right, come here, Finley. Where are you going? Come here. What do you mean? Oh. Right, now he's going to blow raspberries on my tummy. No, you just fill up my bloody button with spit, you dirty little child.